What is going on YouTube? So, we got another video today, but real quick, all right? Before we get into that, we gotta have a serious talk, all right? 96% of the people watching this video and all the videos I post are not subscribed, right? And I know that's a common trend with people who watch YouTube. You know, every video you watch, person's begging for subscribers, begging for this, begging for that. I'm gonna do something different, all right? Well, I'm gonna try this out. So, starting now, okay? My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna pick 3 random lucky subscribers, okay? And I'm gonna give them each $50 for free. The only thing that you have to do, you don't gotta like this video, you don't gotta share, comment, none of that. All you have to do is just subscribe. Now ask yourself, have you ever made $50 just for clicking a button? And unless you're a avid gambler and you go to the casino a lot, the answer is probably no. All right, so why not? Why not give it a try? You might be the lucky one. That's $150 that I'm giving away. All you gotta do is just press a button. All right? I just want to tell you guys that I really appreciate you, and I appreciate you subscribing. So you guys help me out, I'll help you out. Okay? Let's get into this video, man. Make sure you tune in next week because I will be doing an EDC video with this gun. Okay? Got a bunch of stuff ordered, and it's all gonna get here tomorrow, which means you guys should be seeing it next week. So make sure you guys tune in, hit that subscribe button, all right? So here it is, Glock 43x MOS. I have been wanting this gun for a very long time, very long time. Okay, I decided to go my 19 first because I figured that would be like a great, like, all-around gun, you know. But then for carrying it for a couple, it's been probably like 4 or 5 months now. I'm a pretty small guy, all right? I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm probably about like 5'6", 135 pounds, soaking wet. It's kind of a lot of pistol for me, all right? So I'm just gonna be honest. A lot of YouTubers out here wouldn't be honest like that. So one of my friends actually got the 43x, and I went and shot it with him, and I was like, dude, this thing's perfect. Like, this is literally the size I need. Okay, the only thing I didn't like is it only holds 10 rounds. But if you guys tune into next week's video, we have a solution for that. But okay, enough of my talking. Glock 43x. So shout out Science75. You guys should go subscribe to him on YouTube. All right. This is what we get when we open the box. Look at that. That thing is nice. So we got our gun right here. Okay. Perfect size. One magazine's already in it. We got our nice little speed loader. Another little magazine. Comes with instructions on how to mount an optic on the top. Pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, but you know, some people need instructions for that. Comes with a gun lock, which is nice. If you don't have a safe, I have a safe. Maybe I'll do a video on that some days, like the safe I have. One thing that I really like, which I'm not gonna lie, guys, I've already opened it up. You know, spoiler alert, but I definitely opened it already. But it comes with a brush. Not a lot of guns, I feel like, these days come with a brush. So that was a very nice little touch that they had with the 43x, man. And then got our little Allen key right here to take off the screws up top for the 43x MOS. Put a little red dot on there. So yeah, all right. It's you know, it's pretty straightforward. You know, it's nothing too crazy. You know, at the end of the day, it is a Glock, so it's not gonna be nothing too fancy. But man, this gun right here, guys, fits like butter. Like, look, this is how big my hand is. It fits like a glove, okay? And I don't know how much they go for in your guys' states, but I picked up this version, okay? This version right here. And by the way, it is empty, okay? Straight out the box. We're not, yeah. We're not loaded. This version right here, the MOS version, I picked it up. I'm gonna let you guys get some time to guess. Okay, guess what you think would be like a pretty good price for a brand new Glock 43x MOS. Okay, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'll wait for you to comment.
One eternity later.
Okay, I paid $398 for this beauty right here. Okay, I've never seen a price that good for it, and it's brand new, never been shot, straight out of the box. Okay, $398 plus tax. I think out the door came to like $438, which, I mean, we're paying, you know, PSA micro dagger prices for the Glock. Make sure you guys tune in for next week's video, okay? I'll just give you guys a little sneak peek, okay? Got a holster on the way, got a red dot on the way, and I got some other little goodies on the way, okay? This thing is going to be my EDC, which, if you don't know what that means, it means everyday carry. This is going to be my everyday carry till I find another gun that I like as much as this one, okay? Yeah, I love it. I haven't got the chance to shoot it yet. I've shot them before. I haven't shot this one yet. But, I mean, it just, like I said, guys, it fits like a glove. If you're a smaller guy or a female or, yeah, this is the perfect gun for you. If you have small hands, if you, like just anything, this is it. There's a reason why people rave on about these guns and everyday carry for these. I mean, it's the go-to, you know? So, yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And like I said, man, do not miss out on this $50, okay? $50 for nothing. For literally doing nothing. All you do is click a button, okay? It could be you. You never know. So, yeah. I'll see you guys next week where we're going to be dressing this thing up. See you guys next week.